Hey guys, this is Adam with Jackson Egg Company, coming at you with another video about our nest boxes this time. So we just got this in, and this is actually our very first one built, so that's why we have our fancy letters and our fancy table right here. And anyways, so this nest box, I think we're pretty excited about it. It should work really well. It's got a lot of features that we like. So what's going to happen is the chicken can jump up here, grab onto the little perch deal, and that makes it kind of nice and comfortable. It gives it a landing position. That's literally an important thing for the chicken, is that it has a landing position before it enters in. Then it can push this flap up, go through the middle, whatever. The reason for this flap though is because the chicken actually likes privacy. Whenever it is laying, it likes a nice dark spot, and so these flaps allow it some privacy, and that way it can't really be bothered. It'll be a lot more comfortable once it's in there laying its egg. So once it's in here, this is going to be a little bit hard to demonstrate or show you, but we've got a nice nest pad right here, and it's on an angle. So first off, it's nice and comfortable for the chicken. Kind of feels, I guess, grassy or whatever, but it's comfortable for the chicken to squat down on. Then whenever it lays its egg, the egg can come out, might have like a little bit of blood on it or something like that, or a little bit of manure, whatever that was, from the chicken, might get onto the egg. Well, as it rolls down, that will actually help clean off the egg, and so your eggs will come out a lot cleaner in the long run for you, the consumer. So then, I'll talk about that here in a second. So then it'll come down here and roll onto this space, and the chickens cannot get to this area. So the eggs can sit there, they won't get broken, and they'll stay nice and clean until we get to pick them up, which should be, at least once a day. So that's where they will sit until we get to collect them, nice and clean. So cover that back up. Then why this though, other than just getting it out of the way for this, we can actually block it off so that the chickens cannot go in there at night. And that's also an important thing for a couple reasons. For one, if you let chickens get in there all the time, they can actually get what we call broody, and so they kind of just become dominant of their area, and they just like to sit in that nest pad, like in their little spot, just 24/7 pretty much. They won't leave it, and then two, they get kind of aggressive with other chickens to try to get in there. So by keeping them out overnight, that helps to prevent that. And two, it keeps the nest pads a lot cleaner, so that again we have cleaner eggs because of that. So at night they'll be kept out, and then we're gonna have like roosting areas for them and stuff, where they can hang out overnight anyways. So that is a lot of the features of our nest boxes, and we're happy to get them up and going here soon, and keep those chickens happy with their comfy places to lay and clean eggs. So thanks for watching. Be sure to check us out on Facebook and YouTube, and check back for any more information if you like this kind of stuff, and keep updated with what's going on with the hens, and why Jackson Egg Company eggs are really good, healthy for you, and why we treat our hens really well. So thanks for watching, and check us out in Deerbirds and Food Giant and Schnucks and all those kind of places. Thanks for watching.